No worries.
Okay, awesome. Oh yeah, I have some. Okay.
I think I burned them a little bit before. Okay.
Okay, great.
You can eat 4? You can eat 4 eggs?
I mean, we can share that one. You want to eat 4?
I eat 4 and you eat 4. Are you
Oh,
okay?
okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, let me cut the tomato now.
Yeah.
Okay, this is for you.
Everything is shaking.
Yeah. Okay, I want to wash my hand.
Yeah, you can wash them here, it's more easy.
Okay. I don't want to go down. Oh, sorry. Okay. Ooh. It's like so difficult.
Yes,
Ah.
it's different. In the house, nothing is moving, but here.
Yeah, I know.
You imagine I paint and some boat is starting
But
shaking.
how long take you to get used to?
I don't know, 5 days, something like this.
But so happy, you know, like taking a break from walking.
And you finish almost. If you say just to here, if you walk just to here, you still did the Camino de Santiago. It's like the final destination is for many people is here.
Yeah, I know, but I will go to because I have time. So
Yeah, I understand, but it's still. If you go now, yesterday I went to the center and I see the whole bus of backpackers getting out, and I asked them, why are you getting out? I understand to get in the bus. And they told me, I don't have time.
yes, I know.
And I asked him, but is it cheating this? And that's a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, you don't have time, but you have time to do the Camino.
Yeah, and or some people walking just from Santiago to here, not like the other way.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I met a guy, so we are Camino friends. Many people because we walk like 1 month. So every day or every few days you see the people.
Okay.
So after a while you know them. We talk, you know, people getting like a big group. And there's one guy from Germany. He cheat. He take the bus. So first he's like this, okay, fat. Got this. He doesn't walk fast.
Okay.
So every day we start early, start at 6. He's still sleeping, but every day he always arrive.
Okay, good.
Yeah, he didn't walk past us.
I need to stop just the gas.
Okay, let me try.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Ah.
Perfect. Yeah.
Now I feel like Titanic.
Don't say we don't want
Oh,
to sing tonight.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
No worries, I
Yeah, for
joke
Titan. Maybe the fork or okay.
Of course.
Thank you. Bon appetit. Where you sit?
Oh, I'll sit here. Look, the sunset.
Oh, this is
The sunset. I have guests from Hong Kong, and
on
we
video now.
yeah.
Hi.
And because I'm very bad cook, I can go cook just eggs. I did some eggs. This is Bulgarian style. We
Oh,
put salt and red pepper, yes,
okay.
on top them, and it's kind of Bulgarian
Take my
dishes.
phone.
Okay, and we're enjoying the sunset. One German guy, three guys from Germany arrived here, and the rest, one Chilean boat here. First time I see Chilean boat, and we're enjoying the sunset.
Oh, this is so good. You made this.
Yeah.
Maybe take a picture from here with the sunset with the food.
Oh, food is not so nice, but
It's okay, you know. Okay, you sit here.
okay.
Ah.
It's beautiful, yes. When we are on the marinas, many times you see the
You can
people.
take picture. Like
Yeah.
maybe you sit here. Okay. Okay. Like this. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Oh. Can you take a picture of me
Yes, yes.
with your home style food and the sunset? Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is for you.
Yeah.
Bon appetit. It's okay.
I don't know. I think these are more burn.
No, it's okay. Yeah.
It's you like more.
No. You, me.
Okay.
Ah, okay, so how you use this?
Just salt,
Maybe you put some here.
a little bit,
Oh, okay.
and I don't know which one is.
Spicy? Oh, spicy. Is it spicy or that much?
No, it's not that much, but I put too much.
Oh, okay. Is it spicy?
No.
Oh.
If you want to sit here to see the
No,
sunset.
it's okay.
Okay, good.
All good. Perfect. Thank you
You're welcome.
for the food and for the boat.
No problem. It's my pleasure. Just working is not nice. It's good to have somebody to speak and enjoy.
You have tissue here.
I don't have tissue. I use toilet paper for.
Oh, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Oh, okay. Same.
Yeah. Almost.